You gotta finish your work. Good morning. Who is here? Am I audible? So you can type in the chat box. Okay, so let's start the class. Okay, only one is watching. And so may I know who is that? Just say hi, hello, and your name. Okay, so let's start the class. Otherwise, we'll wait for one more minute. I think still we got time. So we'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes more, then we'll start the class. Okay, so come on, let's start the class. So these are the two fingers that we are going to use in our abacus journey. Okay, so thumb and index finger. So thumb finger is used for one operation, so that is to bring it up our lower beads. We are using our thumb finger. Okay, and index finger is used for three operations. These are the three operations that we are going to do with the index finger. The first operation to bring it up our upper beads, and on upper beads we will do one more action, so that is to bring it down our upper beads, and on lower beads we will use one operation, that is to bring it down our lower beads. Okay, so three operations we will do with the index finger and one operation we will do with the thumb finger. Okay, so here you can see this worksheet. Whatever I'm saying, all is here I represented in the pictorial form. Okay, so thumb and index finger. And next thing, so actually here in Abacus we are using the Sorobon one, so which is very easy to use it. We have different types of tools. Okay, but we are using the Japanese Sorobon Abacus. So why we are using these ones? It's very easy and most widely used one. Okay, that's why we are learning the Sorobon, and with the help of Sorobon you can do mental calculations. You can start very early compared to other one, because we will have less memory work. Okay, chalo, next to this one. So what are the methods we have in Abacus? So these are the four methods. If you know these four methods, you can do your addition and as well as your subtraction very easily and very accurate, and very like more numbers you can add and subtract very quickly in few fraction of seconds. So you should know this all the four methods. Initially we won't start all the methods at a time, so we will go level by level. Okay, so first we will learn what do you mean by direct method, and then we will go for small friend method, then we'll go for big friend method, then we'll go for combination method. Okay, so in direct method, whatever the beads you are looking for, all the beads are available. Okay, you just make use of those beads and you need to do your direct method. Okay, so when direct method fails, means if you can't apply the direct method, then only you need to go for the small friend method. Okay, small friend method, we will take the help of 5 to get our required number of beads. Okay, so if you couldn't able to do with the small friend also, then we will go for the big friend method. Means every time that method has to fail. Okay, so then only we will go for new methods. So direct method, then small friend method. In small friend method we will take the help of 5. Next we have big friend method. So in big friend method we will take the help of 10 to get our required number of beads. And next, if it fails, then we will go for combination method. So in combination method we will take the help of both 5 and 10 to get our required number of beads. So these four methods you will use in both addition and as well as subtraction. Okay, so this is the main worksheet, so that you need to learn. If you know all these formulas, so that's it. So you learned half of the abacus. So in abacus, we used for abacus to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square roots, cube roots. So you can whatever the arithmetic operations, basic operations plus squaring, cubing also you can do with the help of abacus. Okay, so here whatever the levels they categorize, it depends upon institute to institute. Okay, so some institute they will say whole addition as level 1, level 2, some they will say like till 4 levels they will take. So it all depends upon different institute. So here I don't want to go like level 1 to level 1 2, I want to go by operations. Okay, so if you know all these operations, so you know basic addition and subtraction how to do it. Of course we will use these formulas in the multiplication also, but in multiplication like addition, multiplication is nothing but a repetitive form of addition, right? So we will use there also. Okay, so if you know all these formulas, so that's it, you can easily do all these basic operations. Okay. So what I would suggest you to read these formulas every day, at least twice a day. Okay, so if you are thorough with the formulas, all the formulas, so you can do very easily. And these are all like not like random formulas. Hello Sami, good morning. Yeah, please do like my video, those who are watching. Okay, so if you know all these formulas, so you can do very quickly. These are all not random formulas. These formulas are well connected, well structured formulas. Okay, so if you see carefully here, so we have in small print method total we have 8 formulas, 4 formulas for the positive numbers and 4 formulas for the negative number. Okay, so in big print method we have 9 formulas for the positive numbers and 9 formulas for the negative numbers. So in combination method again same like our small print method. So just 4 formulas here and 4 formulas here. So if you observe carefully here, see here we have only 4 formulas, means for number 1, 2, 3, 4 only we have formulas. Okay, so if you observe combination method, here we have 6, 7, 8, 9. We don't have formulas here for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here we don't have formulas for 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so they all follow some pattern. Okay, these are all not like a random formulas we have. So if you observe carefully, these are very easy to remember, but of course you need practice. So daily you need to read these formulas or write it down wherever you want. So just thorough with these formulas. If you know these formulas, so you can do very easily. Yeah, of course, now if you see like this, you feel that they are very easy, but while doing time, so you need little bit energy to remember or to recall to substitute these formulas. Okay, so yeah, so let's start the questions. So before start the question, I want to introduce the tool first. Okay, so let me introduce the tool here. What are the I already told which tool we are using, and one more thing, just hold on. Okay, so one more thing, so those who want to do the abacus, now you don't need to buy any books, any tools, all that stuff. You can take the help of your phone itself and you can learn everything. Okay, so this is here is the app, no abacus app. So this is app, no abacus app. So from that app I got this tool. So if I go to the front page, when I open that app, it look like something like this. Okay, so just download this no abacus app from your play store. So it is available on both the phones, Android and iOS. Okay, so just download it. So once you download and if you open the app, something look like this. Hold on, I will show you. Okay, so this is the app. Okay, so this is the app. So just open it. Okay, then it look like something like this. Okay, so and if you touch your left corner, here you have one symbol, right? So then you can open up your tool. So yeah, so this is our Japanese tool, which is a sorobon. In sorobon we will have like one upper beads and one line of upper beads and 4 lines of lower beads. Okay, so if you use like Chinese one, it would be like different. There you will have the two swan pan. Chinese one is called swan pan. There you will have two beads on upper side and 4 or 5 beads lower side. Okay, so you can check that one on Google if you want. Okay, so now I want to explain about this tool. Okay, so what are the beads and what are these upper beads, lower beads, how they are going to work, and what is the how you can represent your numbers, all that stuff. Okay, come on. So these are all the beads, the blue color one which you can see, these are all upper beads. Okay, so and the different colors downside you have, you will call it as a lower beads. Okay, so when all the beads are away from your answering bar, what's the answering bar? So the gray color one which you can see is called answering bar. Okay, so if they are away from your answering bar, then you will call then you will say this representation as zero representation, means it's the zero zero representation. Okay, so that's how whenever you want to make it your tool zero, you need to uh, move away your beads from the answering bar. Okay, so the gray color button you will call it as an answering bar. So why we are calling this one as an answering bar? Because if the beads are touching to this, then only you are reading your answer. Okay, so if they are moving away means you won't read that bead or you won't count that bead. Okay, so this is a zero position. Okay, and then this is answering bar. So all the upper beads are multiples of 5. So the values of the upper beads are multiples of 5. So if you take this one is a ones place. Okay, so the black dots is called void point, actually from where you will start your calculations. Okay, so the first void point you will call it as an a ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. Okay, so ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. So this is ones place because I have my white point here, and this is the ones place. When you keep on moving to your left hand side rods, then the place value will be increased. So this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. Okay, so now let's learn what do you mean by this these beads. These are all called lower beads. You can also call it as an earth beads. So this is upper beads, and you can also call it as an heaven beads. Okay, and then this is the zero position. So if you want to set your positions 1 2 3 4, okay, it's very easy to keep. You just need to take the help of these lower beads. So let's start keeping your values. So initially we will keep like 1. So this is 1. Okay, so move your green bead to the answering bar, and I told you, right, the fingers movements which is very important. It will take time to get habituated, but try your best. Okay, so always you need to use your thumb finger to bring it up. Okay, so this is 1. And next, how to set 2 on abacus. So we need to bring it up 2 beads, green and yellow. 2. Okay, so 2, or else you can reset everything. So here we have on the right corner we have the reset button. So if you press that one, it becomes 0. Okay, so how to set 2? You need to bring it up 2 beads lower side. Okay, so 2, and then we have 3. Hello beta, who is drawing? Good morning. Then we have 4. May I know who is here? I know Sami is here. Yeah, I'm doing good, beta. Okay, so that's how you can represent 4. Okay, so very easy. Do one more time. 1, 2, 3. Is it Shravya? I'm in Guntur. I think Shravya, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so next 4. Hi Shravya. Ma'am, I'm Shravya. Yeah, I understood. Okay, so that's 4. Okay, so let's do some random numbers. How to set 2? So this is 2. How to set 3? This is 3. And how to set 1? So this is 1. So always you need to use 1 for your lower beads. I mean thumb finger for your lower beads. Okay, so we are done. So we are done with the 1, 2, 3, 4, and now let's start, set 5. Okay, set 5. So all the lower bits are multiples of ones, multiples of tens, multiples of hundreds. So it depends upon on which rod you are. If you are there in ones place, so these are all multiples of ones. Okay, so if you are there here, then it is a multiples of 10. Okay, then how to set 5? So use your index finger and bring it down your upper beat. 5. So 5. One more time. 5. Then how to set 6? To get 6, 7, 8, 9, we need to take the help of both the beats. Okay, so you can keep at your time. You first finish this one. You can keep at your time, or you can do one by one. Okay, 5 plus 1, 6. 7. How to set 7? 5 plus 2, 7. How to set 8? 5 plus 3, 8. How to set 9? 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, so you can do one by one, or you can do both together. 6. Okay. 7. Okay, then 8. Okay, then 9. Is it clear? Okay, I hope it is clear. So now let's do some random values. 3 random values we will do it from 1 to 9. Then we will go to the next numbers. Okay, how to set 7? 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, 5 plus 2, 7. How to set 3? Reset and then 3. Yes. How to set 5? Anas, how to set 5? So just bring it down 5. Okay, how to set 9? 5 plus 4, 9. Oh, okay. Okay, Sami. 9. Okay, so done. We are done with the 1 to 9. Now let's proceed to the 10. Okay, so how to write 10? 1, 0, 10, right? 1, 0, 10. So here you have the two place values. One is tens place and ones place. So 1, 0. In tens place you need to keep 1. I told you, right? So these are all multiples of 10. Okay, this is 10 and this is 20 and this is 30 and this is 40. So these are all the values are multiples of 10. Similarly, on top if we take, it is 50. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, but now I said the first value is 10. Okay, so how to set 10? 1, 0. So 1 in tens place, 0 in ones place. 10. 1, 0, 10. Okay, then how to set 11? 1, 1, 11, right? Okay, tens place value won't be changed for the 11, but the ones place value you need to set 1. So 1, 11, and then 12, and then 13, 1, 3. So for all the values after 10, it won't change your tens place value, but of course you need to change the ones place value. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how to set 15? So 15 also same. You won't change your tens place value, but of course you need to change your tens place value. Okay, so remove this one. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Then how to set 20? 2, 0, 20. Okay, so in tens place you have 2 and in ones place you have 0. 21, 22, 23. So all after above 20, you no need to change your tens place, you need to change your ones place. Okay, so 21, 22, 23, 24, and then 25. So how to set the 25? So remove everything, set 5 here. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and how to set 30? 30, right? So 3 in tens place, 0 in ones place. 31, 32, 33, 34. Remove everything for 35, because when you keep 5, you shouldn't have any lower bits. Okay, so 35, and then 36, 37, 38, 39, and then 40. So take out everything here, 40, 40, 40. Then 41, 42, 43, 44, and then 45. So remove everything here, so keep 45. 46, 47, 48, 49, and then 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, and then 55. 56, 57, 58, 59, and then remove 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, and then remove 65. 66, 67, 68, 69, and then remove everything 0 and increase one bead in the tens place. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, and then 75. 76, 77, 78, 79, and then 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, and then 85. 86, 87, 88, 89, and then 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, and then 95. 96, 97, 98, 99, and then 100. So 100 means 100. So make it 0 everything here, and here 0, and here 1. Okay, so do practice this 1 to 100 numbers. Okay, so simple thing to learn anything, not only abacus. So you need to practice daily. Okay, so suppose today you learn something in the class, just spend 5 to 10 minutes more after the class and try to concentrate whatever I told, whatever I taught in the class here. Okay, so I ask you to do these formula sheets twice a day. Okay, so if you spend less after the class, if you spend like 5 to 6 minutes or 10 minutes, it makes your journey very smooth. Okay, you will get good concept on that, and you will get very good motivation for the next class. Okay, so means if you know already few concepts, it will be very easy your journey. Okay, so it makes your journey very easy. Okay, so do practice, just spend 1 or 2 minutes on this, and do practice from 0 to 100. So though you know, you do it. Okay, so we will think that it's very easy to do, but when you comes to like when we increase the complexity, you will stuck with the basics only. Okay, so that's what, though it look easy, so do practice. I'm not asking you to spend like 1 hour of practice, so just spend 1 or 2 minutes for the whatever the parts you learned in the class. Okay, so or at least 5 minutes. If you have 5 minutes, it's good enough. If you don't have 5 minutes, at least try to learn 2-3 minutes at least, spend it, revise it. So now you learned, so do evening little bit practice. I have class on the evenings, on every day I have classes in the evening also. Do attend that one also, so to make your journey a very fruitful. Okay, so that's it for today's class. My class will be depends upon your strength. So if I have good strength, I'll try to take 1 hour. If I don't have good strength, so I will take only for half an hour. So yeah, I will set up one duration for the both the batches. I will see. So morning batch, I got like 4 kids on an average, so they are coming and going. Okay, so let's see in the evening. So if the evening float is more, then I will take 1 hour class in the evening and I will take half an hour class in the morning. So it depends. I'll decide this one by the end of this week. So hope you enjoy the class. So if you have your any suggestions or any concerns, you can send through WhatsApp. Okay, so that's it for today's class. Bye bye, see you in the tomorrow's class.